Dell has made one of our favorite ultra-portable laptops even smaller for 2020, the new XPS 13. It has a larger 16:10 display and it's got a 91.5% screen-to-body ratio. That means incredibly thin borders around the screen. And these kind of give the XPS 13 a very modern look. But to be honest, that's really a requirement now for premium ultra-portable laptops. There's also a new keyboard and a new touchpad on the XPS 13, and these seem much improved over the old design. The touchpad and the keycaps are larger, which actually fixes one of our only complaints about the previous design. Inside the XPS 13, there are 10th generation Intel processors and a battery that Dell rates to last up to 19 hours on a single charge. Getting all of this for a starting price of $1,000 seems like a pretty good deal, but we'll have to wait until we get a review unit into the lab to fully test out this smartly redesigned laptop.